Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And again, this week, as promised, more information about the Teguar's tablet, rugged tablet that they sent us. Is a fully rugged tablet with a 12.1-inch screen. Of course, it is touch. And I tell you what, it comes in, weigh in at 3.3 pounds. The battery itself, they claim a brand new battery on this unit is going to last 4 hours. It has a daylight readable screen with 650 nits. And again, if you don't know what a nit is and you haven't watched my What is a Nit video, go and watch it. I also have a blog post about it on my website. Anyways, you can find out what a nit is, but basically it's how well you can read this screen in the daylight, in direct sunlight. This unit is fully rugged. It's got some nice rubber corners. If you take a look here, these corners are rugged, although it's a full rubber piece all the way around there like that. On the back, you can see where the battery's at. Now the battery is hot swappable, which means that we can remove this battery, take it out, and put a new battery in, because there's an internal battery that keeps the unit on for just about 30 seconds to a minute while you change out this battery. So you won't miss a beat if you're working. It is got some interesting features. Here's the hard drive port right here. So you're able to just pop this out and put in a different M.2 hard drive if you needed to do something like that. It's got some fan ports over here and over here to dissipate the heat. If you look right here, this is your Ethernet port, this RJ45 jack, as well as a port cover here. Now the port covers, let me talk about those real quick. They're very, very substantial. They have a plastic hinge right there, but it goes almost the full length of the cover. And then the cover has this rubber sheet across it that will seal up those ports. Now the ports in there are HDMI. You've got a USB-C, a regular USB, and of course your SIM card slot, and then a micro SD card slot right back here. On the side here, if you notice, there is a Windows button, which pops up that, and then you have your volume control, a power button, and this is a function button that if you push it, it will, let's see what it's programmed for, nothing yet. You'll be able to program that button to pop up a piece of software or app that you might want to use. The screen itself, again, is 12.1. It's that capacitive screen, so it doesn't take much to get it to operate. You don't have to push hard. Nice thing about this laptop, Gorilla Glass. So if you drop this, it is fully rugged. You're not going to have a problem with it breaking on you with simple drops, no more than 4 foot high, right? Camera, front and back cameras, right here and here. So you have your webcam. And if you're taking a picture of a broader scene, you would use the rear camera. Overall, so far, I'm liking this tablet. It's got a nice big screen, which is good and bad, I guess. But overall, again, I like this. You can get the optional port replicator, which pops in like this, and you would have the ability to plug in an external keyboard, mouse, and that sort of thing. But so far, I'm liking this tablet. That's all I got for you this week, guys. Watch for future. I'm going to dig deeper into this thing. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you guys next week.